I'm normally going on little adventures like this. Right where I'm at right now, it's called Monument Circle. It's right in the middle of Indianapolis, right in the capital, right in the exact middle. See, what I'm trying to do is come up with ways that I can make a video, like trying to inspire myself, walking around the city, trying to see what looks nice, trying to get that feel. Like, I wonder how they do it, the other YouTubers, where they just kind of like, it feels like they kind of doing everything on the fly and things are going well, and I don't know. So I'm just gonna keep walking around. Okay, so the next recording I'm going to do is probably going to be of this building. I believe this is the Capitol building. I'll correct it somewhere in here if it's not. I'm going to see if I can get some drone shots of it all. I don't know what the statue's all about. Probably have to look that up when I get home. So yeah, they have like little art, like living art things everywhere, all around the city. I don't exactly know what's going on here. Maybe it's voting. Maybe he's marshaling some troops. I don't know. So he locked his bike up, and they stole his tires because they couldn't steal his bike. So there's this little lake over there. It's right off the highway, but it has like a boat on stilts, I guess to show the water level or something like that. And I've always wanted to get like video footage of the boat on stilts. So here's my opportunity. I'm gonna pull over and I'm gonna see what I can do as far as getting boats on stilts. Let's see how it goes. Now, if you look, the water doesn't show that it's like super windy, but it's extremely windy. Like, I can't believe the drone is staying up over the water or able to stay still. It's probably a little jittery. Actually, I think you could fish this lake, and it looks like a really great place to fish, but I don't even know if we're allowed to fish here. I'm out here with my poles and see what I can do. You know, I bet there's a lot of largemouth bass in there. There's definitely, like on the other side of the lake, there's the potential for like, it's really grassy, so you know, bass like grassy areas because smaller creatures hide in the grassy areas or whatnot. But I'm not here to talk about fishing. I just wanted to tell you, you know, tell you about my adventure today, and that's my adventure.